stirring up now. Stir it up. On today's episode of the Jamaican cooking journey, we will be sharing with you a little, I don't know how many people know this, but I just want to pause here to say special thanks to those. Welcome to the new people, and welcome back to those that have left us, those that were there and is always there. Manners and respect. If you'd like to be a part of my Patreon family, there is a link on the description, in the description. Check on it. Join us over on Patreon. Shout out to my patrons. Our post notifications, you know, they always go right up there. Okay, let's get on to the video. That is giving me a lot of joke behind the camera. We are going to be making today cornmeal dumplings and corned beef, bully beef and cornmeal dumpling. Did you know of that Jamaican combination? Bully beef and cornmeal dumpling. Now, I have got a video there that it is entitled How to Make Cornmeal Dumplings for the Beginner Cook. I went in depth. I think that video is over 20 minutes. So you can't go wrong with making your cornmeal dumpling. So right here I've gone ahead and I have made my cornmeal dumpling dough, and I have wrapped it in some plastic wrap. Yep. And here it is, my beautiful succulent. It is dough. I always tell you that this is called dough, and you can play around with it. Right on over here, I got me my pot, and it's coming to a boil. Yes, it's coming to a slow boil. So at this point, you don't have, you're not supposed to have your pot at a rigorous boil. But I explained everything in that video. So you go and do your best and make your Jamaican cornmeal dumplings. So right at this point, I'm going to be putting in my dumplings. Cornmeal dumplings, bully beef, Jamaican style. Did you know about that? So I'm putting in my dumplings right here. And I would like you to go, when I put the link, click on it and check that video out. And if you're a cornmeal dumpling lover, do your best with it, okay? I'll be just putting in my dumplings. Therefore, because I'm giving you the link to go watch it, I won't be here all day showing you how to do these dumplings. So I'll catch you in the next clip. So my dumplings are in, and I am going to be so gentle. I'm going to be just pulling up my dumplings from the bottom of the pot, because I told you everything in the video that the dumplings, if once you put in your dumpling, you have to turn them, because them are go stick if you don't turn them. Once you turn them right one time, you don't have to turn them again. So with that slow boil, check the video out. I'm going to leave my dumplings to cook. So I'm removing my wrapper from my corned beef tin. And years ago when I just started YouTube, I showed people that I rinse my tin. Some people did. This one person said, Debbie, I even wash my tins with dish soap. So this is what I'm doing right now. I wash off my bully beef tin before me start cut it, and me dry it with dish soap. Cause why? Them thing here come from out of all kind of place, some warehouse and all kind of little, you don't know it go. So washing it, dripping it, exclaim. So onto my corned beef. And you know, Jamaican, we say bully beef from ever since. But we know that the correct name is corned beef. Thin corned beef, so to speak. We have corned beef, as in real beef, we're corn. So thin corned beef is the correct name. See? So I'm just like cutting my corned beef now. Yeah. Yeah, you know, it comes with a little fat. We keep it. Be careful with these tins. So I'm gonna mash it down. Back in the days they could have slice, but these days them not slice and nice. But that one nobody know, it smell like bully beef, not true, Dad? Smell like bully beef, man. So depend that, yeah. One tin of bully beef and some cornmeal dumpling. What you know about that? Tell me what you know about that. We got here some scallions So you salt them out. 1 medium onion, 3 pegs of garlic, and a little scotch bonnet pepper, because we have babies. Okay, so we're back at you, cooking fam. So I have a little bit of oil in here, and I have my smashed garlic. I'm gonna put them in there, but I'm gonna turn it down on the very, very lowest heat. Because I don't really want my garlic them to burn. I want them cook and get a bit softened. I want so much I can soften them that I can kind of just blend them in with the corned beef. I don't really want them cut up or something. I just want them kind of, you know, cook and get softened. And we'll see if we can just, you know, deal with them, mix up now the corned beef. If you don't want and you have your garlic powder, then you can probably just use garlic powder. So right on over here that is happening, and this is my cornmeal dumplings cooking away at this. When you watch the video, you will see. My cousin will go on here, so we give it thorough stir. Nobody no stick, so that's how I cook my dumplings. I don't really cook my thing them I eat where, you know, when you see me I put my food and you want my food into the pot, and by the time the food done cook, the whole of the liquid dry out and the food just left without nothing covered. Next clip. Yeah man, so we cover down this, you see, and that I should have dip on the garlic. So that little steam the below and get the onion them, yeah, a kind of way, yeah. Right now time for the bully beef, you know. Once you put in the dumpling then, you just get your bully beef thing right in there. But one thing me see look like it still maintain the right size of the bully beef them here, Indy.
Yeah.
Them not look like them too extra little. I don't know. What you think?
Same size, man.
Alright, so you see? You have to put like a refined black pepper in this here. The bully beef here, it calls for the refined black pepper. So it's steam. I don't know, but black pepper just do something for it. See? So put it in a black pepper. A black pepper here look like it not so 100, it now come out. I mean, I know what I do. Alright? Stir it up now. Stir it up. Yeah, man. Stir up time. Yeah, you saw the onion them stir. Yeah, man. You saw them look? Look on the onion in it and the bully beef. You put enough onion here. So you see if your family big and you cook up 2 tins of bully beef, you just put more onion than what you see me put here. So turn on the stove to the lowest now. Now put a more black pepper in it, make it green up. Oh, you see the onion? Yeah, man. Give them a shot, Dad. Look, shoot them up, Dad. Shoot them up. See? Yeah, man. So what we are going to do now? What we are going to do now? What we are going to do now? Yeah, we are going to cover it down and give it about 2 minutes. Just let little steam go through it. When you know see me next, bully beef and dumpling ready. It's that easy. Next clip. Our dumplings are ready. We're gonna dish up some. We're gonna make sure we ain't got any of this liquid. Make sure. Drain your dumplings properly. Get your slotted spoon. This is just a spatula, but you can do it too. Alright. Get your slotted spoon to the middle in here. Yep, dumplings are through. Please remember not to serve your husband the dumplings with the water, the juice or whatever dripping. 3 dumplings here. Corned beef right on top. That was a sloppy job, but we can clean up, eh? Here we go. Cornmeal dumplings and bully beef. Let them go and look that. Give them a shot. Make them look on the bully beef dumpling. The bully beef and cornmeal dumpling guys. Just take them right round in a slow-mo. Yeah. Cut in one of them cornmeal dumpling and show you, you know. Cook the dumpling, Yeah. Next clip. Cut in our dumpling now. Yeah. Cook cornmeal dumpling, that dumpling cook. You don't want to see raw cornmeal skin up, eh? Look at this. Look at this, eh? Yeah, man. Sure, say your dumpling ready, eh? Cornmeal dumpling, Jamaican style with bully beef. Dumpling here hot. Next clip. From my kitchen to yours. From my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to your palate, and most of all to your stomach. It is bully beef and cornmeal dumplings, Jamaican style. Remember to make sure you're watching our videos in its entirety. Remember to like the videos, share them out, leave us a comment below, and most of all, remember to watch the ads. Debbie from Donga Yard, bless, no stress.